At the very beginning, my dear people, I put a question why there is no peace in this world. If you look at the newspaper, BBC, everywhere, you know it already. God has given mankind a heart to forgive, a heart to love, but mankind refuses. That's ego. Ego ejecting God outside. Many a times we are catechized. We go for catechism, we are catechized. Then we are sacramentalized. What is the sacraments? Baptism, communion, confirmation, marriage, so on. But at times we are not evangelized. What is evangelized? Is to make the good news yourself. Jesus has 12 apostles, he multiplies in 72. And now, my dear people, it's the common priesthood that's yours. You have to be good news. Our relation at Mass should not be when the Mass begins, hi, Jesus. When the Mass is over, bye, see you next week. Then what? What is in between? And so peace will not be there even at Mass. When you greet each other, do you look at each other? Who is next to me on my left? Who is on my right? Very seldom we look at each other because we are not strangers in God's house. We are God-chosen people. We got to impart. And when the priest says, peace be with you, what do you say? What do you say? And also, but at times it is, keep it for you. Keep it for you. That's what is happening, my dear people. And so peace will not come unless you allow the peace of Jesus to permeate inside your heart. You have got to be programmed. So the peace is not just absence of war. I like to give you my own example. When I went for Expo 2020, you know that global village, there's Expo 2020, all nations there. They said, you want a passport? Yes, I got a passport, 20 dirham. And then I went in different countries to stamp my passport. It is not a real passport, but to show that I'm visiting many nations. And so I went to India, Philippines. But what I want to tell you, I went to Russia. And then they stamped my passport, Russia. And the next was Ukraine. What do you think happened? The person says, I don't stamp on the page next to Russia. And I said, why? I am an Indian. I have nothing to do with your Russia or Ukraine. I am from Goa. Many people from Russia come to Goa. And what do we say in our language? Deo Boreng Korung. We don't say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Deo Boreng Korung. God bless you. And I said to that person, God bless you. Okay, turn the page, and they stamped Ukraine. That is the reason, my dear people, peace will never come until and unless you allow yourself to be soaked with the peace of Jesus. And how do you get this peace? Jubilee, mercy, forgiveness. We have to have an act of charity, act of compassion, act of understanding, coming out of your culture. You may belong to one culture, no matter what language or nationality, but when you come to the church, even in the church, there is fighting for place. You know what? This is my place. This is my place. I have come. I would not give it to others. Sad, very sad. We have to be compassion. Some old people have come, a pregnant lady has come, or determination person cannot walk. We have to get up and say, come, sit down. That's love. That's what Jesus expects of us. And so in the Mass today, no matter what you're going through, be it at home within yourself, or with a husband and wife, or in the place of work, sometimes you are loghead with one another. What is loghead? I don't want to talk with each other. So what do? Father, it is easy for you to say, forgive. Now pray for that person. When you pray, God's grace gives the person a chance to let go. If not, my dear people, you keep the venom, the hatred, and the anger, and the one who keeps it is a loser. It's not the person who need. That's what's the Lord's Prayer. What is the Lord's Prayer? As we forgive those who sin against us. That's what Christianity is. On the cross, Jesus gave us. And so we say, my dear people, no matter what is going on in your life, don't fight for parking. Okay? I know it's that time, 6 dirhams, 8 dirhams per hour. So I cut myself. I don't want to be long. Be charitable and say, Jesus, I trust in you. Say, Amen.